Okay, it's time for math practice, and I went back and I looked at the video, and that's why I was confused. I knew that something didn't feel right. So we are learning the 13 family this week, so I am going to do the 13 minus today. So we have 3 even sticks. You see they're all even. So we're going to count just one of them, and the other 2 will be the same because they're all the same height. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many sticks do I have? I have 3, so I need 3 13s. You need 3 13s on your paper. So I've got a 13, a 13, and a 13. 3 13s, 1 for each stick. Let's look at the first stick. So I have some pink and I have some black. Let's take away the pink. We're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 13 minus 5 leaves us with only the black. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It left us with 8. So 13 minus 5 is 8. 13 minus 5 is 8. And we can also turn that around and we can say 13 and we can take away the 8. 13, we threw out the 8. And how many did it leave us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It left us with 5. So let's see if we can say those. 13 minus 5 is 8. And 13 minus 8 is 5. All right, let's go to the next one. That marker is kind of wearing out a little bit. I'll get a different color. Let's see how many of the whites we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many in all? 13. And we're going to take away 6. And that will only leave us with the blue. So we took away 6. Okay, and let's see how many blues are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 13 minus 6 equals 7. Let's say it. 13 minus 6 equals 7. All right, what if we put 13 back together? All right, so now we have 13, and now I'm going to take away the white. I took away the white last time. Yes, I took away the white. So let's take away the blue. That was 7 of them. So 13, take away 7, leaves you with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leaves you with 6. All right, so we can see that 13 minus 7 is 6. And 13 minus 6 is 7. Let's say it. 13 minus 6 is 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. So you have a 6 and a 7 that go together to make 13. And the last one we're going to do, I guess it's this one. We haven't done this one. So we have 13 in all, and we're going to take off 1, 2, 3, 4 reds. So I'm going to take off 4 reds, and that leaves me with the purples. Let me write that down. 13 minus 4 reds equals, let's see how many purple we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 purple left if we take away 4 reds. 13 minus 4 equals 9. All right, let's put them back together. Ah! Break the tower. These are kind of hard to snap together. It hurts my hands just a little bit. So now we have 13. Let's take the 4 away. No, let's take the 9 away. Bing, bing, bing. 13 minus. Oh, let's see if I can do this. It looks a little weird. 13 minus 9 leaves you with how many? 4. So leaves you with 4. All right, let's say it. 13 minus 4 is 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. All right, so now we have the 13 family. So what we're going to do is I'm going to stack these blocks up over here and put my marker up, and we're going to say them again. So mine has had a little bit of a break, and let's see if we can do it again. All right, 13 minus 5 is 8. 13 minus 5 is 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. 13 minus 6 is 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. Last one. 13 minus 4 is 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. 13 minus 9 is 4. So we have a 8 and a 5 that go together to make 13. We have a 6 and a 7 to go together to make 13. And a 4 and a 9. All right, I'm just going to ask you some questions. What goes with 5 to make 13? 8. What goes with 6 to make 13? 7. What goes with 4 to make 13? 9. All right. So you just got to practice them, and you may have to practice some more than what Miss Amy has. You may have to just sit down in the afternoon sometime like, all right, I'm just going to do this for 10 minutes. And then maybe before you go to bed, I'm just going to do this for 5 minutes. Okay? You have to discipline yourself because you really need to learn. These are very, very important to learning later math. All right. So I will see you again in just a little bit.